the easy guide on making just about any smoothie. Hey there, smoothie enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself staring at a bunch of random ingredients and wondering how to turn them into a delicious and nutritious smoothie, you're in the right place. Today, we've got the easy guide on making just about any smoothie for you. Whether you're a beginner or a smoothie pro, stick around for some fantastic tips and tricks. Step 1. The smoothie blueprint. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about the basic structure of a great smoothie. Every smoothie needs a liquid base, a source of creaminess, fruits, vegetables, and optional add-ins. It prevents random combinations and guarantees a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Step 2. Choose your liquid. Start by adding about 1 to 1.5 cups of liquid. You can use water, milk, dairy or plant-based, coconut water, or even fruit juice. This sets the foundation for your smoothie's texture and taste. The liquid you choose determines the overall consistency and taste of your smoothie. Using different liquids can enhance the flavor profile and nutritional content. Plus, it ensures your smoothie isn't too thick or too thin. Step 3. Creamy goodness. For creaminess, add ingredients like bananas, Greek yogurt, avocado, or nut butter. Creamy elements give your smoothie that velvety texture we all love. Creamy ingredients like bananas, yogurt, and avocados add a luxurious mouthfeel to your smoothie. They contribute healthy fats, protein, and a velvety texture, making the smoothie more filling and satisfying. Step 4. Fresh fruits and veggies. Now it's time to bring in the stars of the show, fruits and veggies. Berries, mango, pineapple, spinach, kale, the choices are endless. These not only add flavor but also a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. Step 5. Boost with add-insto. Take your smoothie to the next level. Consider adding some boosters. Chia seeds, flax seeds, protein powder, spinach, or even spices like cinnamon or ginger. These can enhance the nutritional value and taste of your smoothie. Step 6. Blend, blend, blend. Pop the lid on your blender and let the magic happen. Blend on high until all the ingredients are perfectly combined and the texture is smooth. You want to avoid any unwanted chunks. Step 7. Taste and adjust. Give your smoothie a taste test. If it needs more sweetness, you can add honey, maple syrup, or a medjool date. If it's too thick, toss in a bit more liquid. Remember, you're the smoothie master. Step 8. Pour and enjoy. Once you're satisfied with the flavor and texture, pour your smoothie into a glass. You can get creative here. Top it with granola, shredded coconut, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Now it's time to savor your masterpiece. And there you have it, folks, the easy guide on making just about any smoothie. Whether you're craving a tropical delight, a green goddess, or a berry blast, this guide has you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.